Imagine if someone told you that summer happens because Earth is closer to the sun. It sounds logical, but it's actually wrong. In fact, when it's summer in the northern hemisphere, Earth is slightly further away from the sun than it is during winter. So why do we experience spring, summer, autumn, and winter every year? The answer lies in one incredible feature of our planet, a small tilt that can change everything. But unlike day and night, which happen because Earth rotates every 24 hours, seasons occur because Earth travels around the sun while tilted at an angle. Let's explore exactly how this works. Part 1, Earth's journeys around the sun. Earth completes one orbit around the sun in about 365.25 days. But here's the important part, Earth does not spin perfectly upright. Instead, its axis is tilted about an 23.5 degree relative to its orbit around the sun. This tilt remains pointed in nearly the same direction throughout the year as Earth travels around the Part 2, Why the tilt matters. Imagine shining a flashlight directly onto a wall. The light appears bright and concentrated. Now tilt the flashlight. The same amount of light spread over a larger area, making it weaker. The sun works the same way. When your part of Earth tilts toward the sun hits more directly, energy is concentrated. Days become longer, temperature increases. This creates summer. When your part of Earth tilts away from the sun, sunlight arrives at a lower angle, energy spreads across a larger area. Days become shorter, temperature decreases, this creates winter. Part 3, Why opposite hemispheres have opposite seasons. Earth has two hemispheres, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Because Earth is tilted when the northern hemisphere faces the sun, the southern hemisphere faces slightly away. That means northern hemisphere's June is equal to summer and December is equal to winter. That's why a country like Australia experienced Christmas during summer while many other countries in Europe and Northern America celebrated during winter. Part 4, Spring and Autumn. Between summer and winter are two transition seasons, spring and autumn. These occur during the equinoxes. During an equinox, neither hemisphere is tilted toward or away from the sun. Day and night are nearly equal in length around the world. Temperature gradually changes. The March equinox brings spring to the northern hemisphere and autumn to the southern hemisphere. Part 5, The Longest and the Shortest Days. The most extreme points of the season are called the solstices. June solstice. The northern hemisphere receives its more direct sunlight. It experiences longest days, shortest nights, beginning of the astronomical summer. Meanwhile, the southern hemisphere experiences shortest days. December solstice. Everything reversed. The southern hemisphere receives the most sunlight. The northern hemisphere experiences shortest day, longest night, beginning of winter. Part 6, A Common Myth. Many people believe Earth is summer because it's closer to the sun, but Earth's orbit is only slightly elliptical. The distance between Earth and the Sun changes by about 3% over the course of the year. This clearly shows that Earth tilt, not its distance from the Sun, is responsible for the season. Seasons shape life on Earth. They affect plants' growth and flowering, crop production, animal migration, and breeding. Water availability, energy use, human traditions, and festivals. Without Earth axial tilt, most places will experience much less variation in daylight and seasonal temperature throughout the year. Many ecosystem and agriculture system will be very different. Conclusion: our seasons are the result of a simple but remarkable fact. More direct sunlight and longer days bring summer, less direct sunlight and shorter days bring winter. And because the northern and southern hemisphere tilt in opposite directions, they experience opposite seasons. It's a beautiful example of how a small feature of a planet creates one of the most familiar rhythms of life on Earth.